Here we'll go over the Facebook ads data in your CRM. So here you can see all of your campaign ad and ad group data corresponding to your Facebook ads. If you're currently seeing sample data in your CRM, then you have not connected your Facebook ads account. To do that, go ahead and go to the integrations tab of your CRM to link your Facebook account. So here we're going to go ahead to the top. So here you can select the date range to properly analyze your advertising data. So you're going to click on the date box here, and then you can choose from an option here on the left, or you can pick specific dates that you would like to view. Once you click on a date, make sure that you click on the green check mark here to view the data. So once you have your date selection, you'll see that the data refreshes. Here we're going to look at the all over data for all of your Facebook campaigns that are currently running. So here on the left hand side you can see a timeline of the impressions. This is the number of times the ads have been seen. Next to that is the clicks. This is the number of clicks that your ads received during your specified date period. And then next to that is the total number of conversions received, again related to the date period that you have selected. Underneath that, we have the client spend. This is the total amount spent through all of your campaigns for your selected date period. And then we have the average cost per click. So this is the total cost divided by the total number of clicks. And then next we have the cost per conversion. This is calculated by the total client spend divided by the conversions. Again, these are all based on the date range that you have selected. Going down, we have a search bar here. You can search for a specific campaign by typing the campaign name in the search bar. Here you have an export button. If you would like to export any of your data at any time, you can export campaign, ad group, and ad data by clicking on this export button. And then here you have column options. So when you select the column options, you can toggle these on and off to view specific stats related to your campaigns, ads, or ad groups. And then scrolling down, you see the campaign data table. So here you're going to see the list of your campaigns, the status, whether they are live or paused, and then any of the data that you have selected in your columns you're going to see here. So here we're currently looking at the total number of clicks, the total cost, revenue, ROI, cost per click, click-through rate, sales, cost per sales, leads, cost per leads, impressions, and average revenue. If at any time you want to toggle these to be in ascending or descending order, you can click on these arrows here and those will automatically update. To view ad data, we're going to go ahead and click on one of our campaigns. So here you're going to see the campaign name up on the top, and then the status of your campaign, as well as the start date and end date of your campaign. Again, you can select the date up at the top right to view a specific date range. So here we're looking at the campaign specific data. Here you can choose the objective you would like to view. So we have sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits, and other. And then once you select on one of these, you'll see the data calculate at the bottom. Here on the left, you can see the total number of impressions, clicks, and conversions for that specific campaign that you chose. And then you'll see the total client spend. This is the amount that you spent on that campaign. And then the average cost per click and cost per conversion on that campaign. Going down, we have the ads data table. Here you'll see all of your ads listed out by their titles, and then you'll see all of the data related to each of those specific ads. So again, here we have clicks, cost, revenue, ROI, cost per click, click-through rate, sales, cost per sales, leads, cost per leads, impressions, and average revenue. Again, you can use your columns here to organize which data you would like to view. And again, you can export this data at any time using the export button here. So next we're going to go to the ad sets. Here you're going to see ad set specific data. Again, you can change the date range up here in the top right corner. And then you'll see the status here, whether it is paused or running, and then the start date and end date of your ad. And then you can choose your objective here from the drop down again. And then here we're going to see the ad specific data. So here again, we're going to see impressions, clicks, and conversions, client spend, cost per click, and cost per conversion. And in this ad table down here, you're going to see the ad sets and their related data. So once again, we have clicks, cost, revenue, ROI, cost per click, click-through rate, sales, cost per sales, leads, cost per leads, impressions, and average revenue. Again, you can change these columns by clicking on the columns button and selecting the ones you would like to view. And then you can export your data at any time by clicking on the export button here.